My personal take on this is that it is never too late to start investing in your child's education. And so while you will not have a lot of time in the market for your contributions to grow, it will still likely grow faster than if you did nothing at all, or even if you place the money in a savings account. So if you are still learning about 529 plans, if you want to understand whether or not this is right for your family, I do encourage you to take a look at one of my trainings. It is called Wealth Secrets to Secure Your Child's Future, where we dive deeper into 529 plans and other custodial accounts that parents can open for their kids. And that's an easy find. You can just go to themasterplaybook.com/wealth secrets. As a parent, it's natural for us to want to do everything we can to help our kids pursue their dreams and to really accomplish all the things that they want. And so there are ways that you can support your child in this goal, in this journey, without financially contributing, right? You can provide emotional support. You can help your child identify scholarships to apply for. You can help them tap into what are the skills that they can monetize so that they can earn money, right? You can be there. You can be supportive. And let me just say this. Our kids, this generation, they have so much more access, more than we ever did, or more than I can even imagine. That even in my personal experience, attending school out of state, I was the youngest of four girls, so there wasn't a whole lot of discretionary income, but my parents managed to get us through college. And one of the ways that they did that is once we were in, like once we were there was a intentionality, there was a focus about making sure that I, kept my grades high, making sure that I knew my professors, and I talked to the dean of the business school so they knew me, and me verbalizing I need money to stay in school. And so once they get in, often they'll be able to find the financial resources to stay as long as they are doing what they're supposed to do, right? Showing up, being engaged, but also just being intentional about looking for and identifying those resources. We host Future Millionaire Money Camps for ages 10 to 14, and then also for ages 14 to 18. And this program offers an engaging learning opportunity right from home because it is offered virtually that's going to provide some quick wins to plant the seeds of financial success with our young people. And so they benefit from developing a healthy relationship with money. It, of course, improves their financial literacy, strengthens their critical thinking, but also really builds their confidence. And so we cover goal setting, ways to earn money at their age. We talk about saving and investing. So I introduce them to the stock market and why it's so important to build that savings muscle at their age. We dive into, of course, budgeting, helping them build a spending plan that they can use beyond our time together. But we also discuss and talk about using credit responsibly, right? And what those consequences are that I talked about during my session today. And then finally, we close with the important money habit of giving and giving generously, because we not only want to raise money savvy kids, we want to raise future millionaires who also have empathy, right? Who also have discernment, who know the power of giving back. And so this is a critical part of our money camp, but it is 4 weeks of structured sessions where we meet live for 1 hour of live instruction. And then I provide self-paced action items that they can complete during the week at their own pace. But when they complete those action items, they have an opportunity to win awards and prizes. It is an engaging curriculum. You have access to an online portal. We have a free sibling policy. So I know for parents who have more than one child in the same age range, this can be a great cost saver, but they receive money camp swag. It's really engaging, a lot of fun. And so I do want us to continue this journey together, right? So I'm happy to be a resource. If you are interested, if you want to enroll your child into one of our money camp cohorts, like I mentioned, if you provide your feedback and you mention that you are sharing feedback from today's Smart Money Move sessions, once I receive that feedback, I will share a discount code that will be eligible for your child or your teen to attend one of our virtual Future Millionaire Money Camps at a lower rate, right? So check out the link for that resource link where it's going to give you a lot of other things, but one of the things is just getting that feedback from each of you. And I would love to work with your family and work with your future millionaire.